Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at hamster combat updates. We'll be looking at how much you stand to earn with a profit per hour on hamster combat airdrop. So before I quickly dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can benefit from this amazing content. So since we all know that the hamster combat is going to pay using the profit per hour, then we're going to fix our calculations in the profit per hour. Okay, you can see my profit per hour here is currently 2.2 m. So we're going to look at this, how this proper calculation is done before the distributions. Before we dive into that, make sure you always claim, make sure you take your CFA, make sure you take your daily combo, make sure you take your key because they are highly important. And also keep tapping. Okay, if you have, assuming you have 1 million profit per hour, you're going to calculate this 1 million. So let's quickly do this hamster combat calculations and see so that we can have a clue on what we're going to earn after the token launch or distributions. Okay, so let's quickly go to my calculator and see. We'll go to my calculator quickly. So let's say if you have a 1 million hamster combat profit per hour, which is this, you're first going to divide it by 1000. What do you get? You get 1000, right? You get 1000. So we're going to check what was the last traded volume of hamster combat. Okay, and then we'll now multiply the last traded hamster combat volume with our converted millions of profit per hour. Cool. All right then. So let's quickly move to what is it called? A pre-market. So now we are on Bybit. Quickly, we're going to check the Bybit pre-market sales and see what we got. Click on more to check for this pre-market sales, or you come to the top side here to click on pre-market sale. So I'm currently on pre-market sale. Let's see what we have. Okay, the last traded hamster combat is this, right? And it's seriously currently on fire. It's going up. Okay, so if you see now that you know the volume of the last traded hamster combat, which is 0.2, then we'll now go back there to conclude our calculations. So on this occasion, it will now be times 0.2. Wow. Let's do it properly again. 1000 times 0.2 is 200 USD. So this is clear for you, right? It's 200 USD. Then if you have 2 millions like myself, then you can now say 200 times 2000. right? Which gives me 400 USD, right? Since time is 2000, let's say it's going to be 2000. Don't forget, according to my conversion, a million is 1,000, a million is 1,000. So 0.2 now times 2,000, you get 400 USD. Is that correct? You get 400 USD. So this is exactly what you stand to gain on this, on your profit per hour. Okay, so all you just need to do is to like put more effort to keep tapping, keep achieving, keep getting the games, keep increasing your profit per hour. Most importantly, right? Keep your profit per hour. Most importantly. So talking about this airdrop, clicking on this, you can see how those your profit per hour becomes very very important. You can see this TBA, airdrop allocation points. TBA. This TBA means to be announced. This TBA means to be announced. And you can see the first thing that comes up on this table here is the passive income, which is your PP, which is your PPH, the passive income. And the most important thing again, you must know that becomes the second is your end task. All those combo you normally take, all those safer, all those daily reward, and the others, which is this. And the third one is the friends. The friends you have referred so far, whatever fully activities you perform here, all the airdrop will drop for you. The friends you invited are highly vital because without you, the hamster combat mining will not become robust today because over 200 million people are mining this very app. Your achievement, this is your achievement or your activities that you have been doing. Where can you find your achievement? You can find your achievement close to the skin on your dashboard. Okay, you can see your Telegram subscription tool is highly important, and above all, your keys. This is last but not the least. Your keys. Your keys are as well very, 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 very vital and important. Okay, because in its own time, this point is going to go into drop, and by the time it drop, you're going to go into withdraw. Right? If you click on withdraw, you can see the moment this drop, you cannot be able to withdraw to your what? To your wallet, which is your tone connected wallet. And you can look at this place which says, you can look at this place, you can look at this place which says more opportunities will be available soon. That is in a soon time. It won't take a lot of time. It's going to be available in a soon time. Okay. So all you just need to do is to warm up, keep mining, keep achieving, keep claiming daily tasks and the others. So this brings me to the end of this very amazing content. Like my videos, don't forget, share and subscribe if you haven't done that. If you do have any question, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.